And that is that large periods, very important fundamental cornerstone periods of civic reconstruction in American history, where we rebuild the outer world of economics and politics and infrastructure, occur about once every long human lifetime. And then about a lifetime later, we had the American Revolution. Then a lifetime later, we had the Civil War, then the New Deal and World War II. And then roughly halfway in between those, we have the great inner world reconstruction eras, where we reconstruct the inner world of values, religion, culture, the arts. And those are the great awakenings of American history. Very conveniently, we actually number them. We